People, welcome back. Right, so we're continuing with these updated tool reviews. I hope you're liking the videos. If you are, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Get the icon bell. Does help me, help the channel, bring more videos out to help you with your tool choice. From my opinion, it's only my opinion, not sponsored in any of these videos. Nobody sends me any tools. The only person that I have been affiliated with, upfront and honest, is with Kiwis. And I haven't had any conversations, any contact with them in probably a year now, so I don't know if that's waylaid. Anyway, stop waffling. Right, today's update tool review is going to be on the DEWALT. I got to get the code off the book. DCS391N. It's basically the cut-off saw. There we go. Now this is the brushed version, not the updated brushless version. I purchased this back in December 2020, 5 years ago. And this, believe it or not, is the same saw, the same very one that I purchased 5 years ago. Now I got to be honest, how this have survived, I haven't got a clue, because I have bollocked it, I've abused it. I've gone through, I think I'm on my 4th blade, maybe my 5th, but the blades are cheap as chips anyway, 7 or 8 quid usually in Toolstation, Screwfix. Other stores are available. Yeah, so let's do the review. This is the brushed version, and I haven't changed the brushes in 5 years. Still not changed. Original brushes in there. Still haven't burnt out. I've had it running in dry weather, hot weather, cold weather, wet weather. Stick a battery on, pull a trigger, and boom, she goes. I can't fault it, I gotta be honest. As you know, I love me DEWALTs anyway. Being a long fan of the DEWALTs, going back 20 something years. But this, gotta be honest, I know there's a new model out now, is the brushless, reshaped and all the sexy gizmos. Would I buy another one of these today, 5 years after owning this one? Hell yes. Why? Because it does what it says on the tin. You put a battery in and it goes and goes and goes. Yeah, batteries don't last fantastically long because it's a brushed. But for cutting sheet material, for trimming doors, cutting timber, worktops. 30mm worktops, it'll do it slowly, but it'll do it. 40mm, I know, go to electric or go to one of the uprated newer models. But for me, for trimming rafters, for trimming doors, for cutting boards, sheet material, fantastic. I've even stuck the sticker back on because it'd come unstuck. Ah, you're a freak. But yeah, I gotta be honest, a 5-year tool review. Still going. Put a fresh blade in it and it cuts like it did the first day I took it out of the box. So, my question. DEWALT, you know I'm an advocate for your brand. You know I love your platform. You know I love your tools. So why haven't you contacted me? Why don't you send me tools to review? You'll send other channels. Why won't you send me anything to review? Is it because I give honest opinion? If I think your product is rubbish, I'll say it's rubbish. This is fantastic. Because that's an honest opinion. There's a thought. To all you tool manufacturers out there, if you want Doc's honest opinion, send me the crap. I'll give an honest opinion, whether it's good, whether it's rubbish. Either way, And if only tools back, I'll send them back. I ain't bothered. I'm not doing this to keep stuff. I use it because I use it. So yeah, bit of fun out the way. Get my screen back. If you're in the market for an older model, maybe they still sell in this model, but a brushed version, and you were on the platform already, pick one up. Really good. Like I said, after 5 years, the abuse I've given it, I've dropped it off little roofs, not tall roofs I'm not going to say, but I've dropped it, I've banged it, it's been running wet weather. I have abused it. And it's still going. I can't fault it. So if you're in the market for a little cut-off saw, a little cordless saw, they're only, I think they're down to about £109, £110 at the moment. You can get them cheaper in sales if you've already got batteries. Pick one up. DEWALT, contact me. Let me review your tools here in the UK. If you don't like what I say, don't send me any more, but I'll give an honest opinion. And that goes for all you manufacturers of tools out there. Just because I like the DEWALT platform doesn't mean I won't give an honest opinion of any tools. Doc's word's Doc's word. So there you are. That's another update on a tool review for the DEWALT DC. I gotta check paperwork again. DCS391N. Brushed motor in that one, and it's still going 5 years down the line. I haven't changed the brushes at all. Stay tuned, people. If you like the video, please give it a like. By all means subscribe. By all means comment. If you disagree with anything I say in these reviews, please do. That's fine. It's your opinion. This is only my opinion. I'm not paid to give these opinions. I give them because I think it may help some of you in your next purchase. We all know money is tight. And if you can look at all different people reviewing stuff and get an idea if it's going to be right for you or not, fantastic. If not, I'm just talking out in cyberspace to myself. Stay tuned, people. More coming. See you soon.